Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Oh, the Ramen Raider's reign brings us joy and little pain.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the professional mukbang show where I eat something spicy, you just sit there and watch, and that's good. I'm good with that. Today we've got this. This is Nissin USA's GEKI chili-infused Asian noodles fiery hot chicken flavor. This has a really weird ingredient in it that I'm like fascinated by. It's called ribotoside. It's hard to pronounce. I'll admit that. Ribotoside A. And what it comes from something called stevia, which is like a natural sweetener, but the way they do it, it's like so concentrated, it's 240 times sweeter than sugar. But this is a spicy noodle, so I'm like really fascinated by that. And here's what I'm going to be mukbangifying. I added a little bit of sesame seed, some scallion, and an egg, which will get shoved to the side so I can sample the product and give you my thoughts on its spiciness and flavor. But to begin with, I need children. All right, this is
Miles.
And this is
Miriam.
And this is going to be a spicy noodle, so I need your help. I need a ready, set, go to get started. Can you guys give me a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go!
Well, thank you. Have you guys been having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you have a good day at summer school?
I did.
Good. Stop. And did you have fun walking with me this morning?
Yes.
Good. All right, run away. Run away. Go have fun. More fun for you. Love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So, as I mentioned that weird ingredient, this does have a very strong sweetness element to it. It does have heat. It's got a pretty good heat, actually. My lips are burning. I will say the noodle has a little bit more dryness to it. This is definitely along the lines of what it seems like to me is attempting to be kind of a, I'll just say it, a bulldog style, a spicy chicken or spicy chicken sauce flavor. If you didn't know, bulldog is like, barbecue chicken, but the actual flavor of original bulldog, people are like, oh, it's chicken flavor. It's not chicken flavor. I know it says chicken flavor in the ones that are made for the West, but it's not chicken flavor. That's like saying barbecue sauce is beef flavor. Nope. It's the flavor of the sauce you would put on spicy Korean barbecue chicken. And like that, I'm really not getting, I'm honestly looking for something that makes me say, oh yeah, it tastes like spicy chicken. It tastes like something that if you added baked, fried, some kind of chicken with this, rotisserie, whatever, it would go well with that. That would complement this. I will say I like the noodle. I'm kind of on the fence about the flavor. The sweetness element is really weird. And the heat is really quite, I would say this is probably the strongest thing from Nissin I've had. Done. Would I recommend this? If you want to get something that's spicy, it's not this spicy. It's just got a good front of mouth heat to it. But if you want something that's really good, get Nissin USA's, what do you call it? The Firewalk. Get the Firewalk Sizzling Rich Pork Bowl. It's really not that hot, but it's really good. And it does have some heat with it. I think that is a hands down way better choice than this. This just seems kind of like it's trying to be something, and it's trying to appeal to the people that want to do the super spicy. But for me personally, I think it just needed a little more something. I think what would have been nice in this is some fried onion. I think that would have gone a long way. It's not bad. It's not something I would choose to have again. Definitely not. No. But it was fun. And thank you very much to Nissin for sending this over. And, yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoy me your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
This thing is sped up way faster than you or I. The Ramen Rater made this using AI. Of crazy business, don't you think? Just eat your noodles and maybe some cheese.